Good morning everyone. I thought I'd record a bit of this morning's walk. Just a few clips because it's so lovely out here. I don't know about where you are, but we've had so much rain. It's really nice to have a break from it and see some sunshine. So I'm out here with Rosie and Merlin, who are happily off exploring. Let's see where they are. Guys! There we go. Hello, monkey. Hey, gorgeous, where's your sister? Merlin? Good boy. I can see her. Here she comes. Good girl. Good boy. Look at her, sweetie. Good girl. Well done, puppy dog. Good girl. Okay. So this is one of our favourite, most local walks. Gets a bit busy for us in the summer, but most of the year it's ideal. So yeah, just great to be out here. Just starting to see things change from winter into spring, buds coming out, blossom coming out. It really is lovely. Plenty of water for dogs to have a splosh. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. So much birdsong. It's wonderful. I think we can often take things for granted, like these lovely areas to walk and the wildlife. And sometimes it matters just to take a moment to go, actually, we're very lucky. Look at that. Blue sky and catkins. Wow, it's looking set to be a really good spring. Particularly as it gets warmer, this becomes a favourite spot for a little dip, doesn't it? Okay, in you go. Good job, guys. So those of you who come walking with us regularly, good job. Know that my dogs are taught to wait and ask before they're allowed in water. Mainly because we walk in areas that at some times of year could be like a paddling pool, and other times can be very fierce waterfalls. And we drag my dogs away. So they know they have to wait and ask. I love hearing the sound of water though. Just got the light starting to come through as the sun rises. Oh, it really is spot on out here. This makes for a feel-good day. And just sets you up for anything else that might happen today. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Well done, guys. And my two favourite four-legged pupils to enjoy it with. Good job. So many greens. I've said this time and time again when I walk, but just such variety. You've got sort of bright green of moss. And all sort of variations. The dull of the fir, sort of really light of the ivy. And it all changes as the light hits it in a different way. Just wonderful. I'm just being aware as we come up here. It looks like it might be, yes, a ball-obsessed collie. Trouble is, when dogs are allowed to be ball-obsessed, they aren't aware of their surroundings and the others around them. In fairness, although that dog obviously was ball-obsessed, it was polite, greeted my dogs and carried on. That's all anyone asks. Dogs don't have to play with each other. And if they're happy carrying a ball, excellent. But I know OT would get to the stage, she would just be 3 foot from me. Especially on the beaches, if I took a ball, throw her a ball, and there'd just be no point going anywhere. Oh, that little robin has just landed on the, there we go, tree stump over there. I really do enjoy seeing so many people out in the countryside like this. And these woodland paths make it accessible for all of us. Well, that was a lovely morning walk. Dogs had a leg stretch, so have I. We've got out and about, which is brilliant. Time to go home and do some jobs. Have a great day, everyone.